Kia ora and welcome to the Aquatics Hall. This space is designed for getting those laps in through swimming, water walking, or just having a moment to yourself in the spa or sauna. We want everyone to feel comfortable and confident in this area, so let's walk you through what you need to know. Our pool features up to 10 lanes, ranging from 2 metres to 4 metres at the deep end. The shallow end features an adjustable floor and is typically set at 1.2 metres, allowing swimmers to safely touch the bottom. We change the pool configuration, including lane length, throughout the week, so check the Spawn Rec portal for lane availability. You'll find gendered changing rooms and private accessible cubicles, along with lockers to keep your belongings safe in the aquatics changing room. Please lock your phone and devices away, as there is no photography allowed in the Aquatics Hall. Be sure to note your locker number before heading to the pool.
Ready to swim? Follow me. If you're not a confident swimmer, start in the shallow end, where you can touch the bottom and feel comfortable. Follow the lane signs to choose the right lane for your speed. Lane etiquette is simple. If you see someone swimming, judge your pace against theirs and choose the lane that suits you best. Remember, more than 2 people can swim in a lane at once. There's space for everyone. Extended underwater activities aren't permitted during general swim times. During the semester, we have lots going on in the pool, ranging from general swimming drop-in times, inflatable sports sessions, aqua group fitness classes, and open dive board sessions. You don't need experience to try these out, but please be mindful of your swimming abilities and stay where you're comfortable.